How much does Groove cost? Is it really free? This is Matt, and in this video I'll go through Groove pricing, although as you'll see it's less about Groove pricing and more about lack of pricing, as this thing is free, as they say right at the top. So free forever for real. First of all, I do have a link in the video description. You can click my affiliate link and you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page where you can claim your free account. So very simple, you can claim the free account right there or up here. They've got buttons everywhere, but as you scroll down, here is the pricing and how it all works out. So they've got Groove Sell, they have Groove Mail, and they have Groove Cart. So essentially there are three different products that you get here with one account. So how it works is Groove Sell, it is $0 per month, just like these are right here, and you are paying 5% as a platform fee on any sales that you make. So whether you're selling physical products, whether you're selling digital products, things online, ebooks, and other digital products, etc., online courses, you are paying 5% to Groove when you actually make a sale. So you can use the full range of tools. As you can see here, this Groove Sale has unlimited funnels, products and offers, unlimited products, unlimited funnels and checkouts, upsells, downsells, order bumps, A/B testing and conversion analytics, and built-in affiliate tracking. So it's a pretty awesome package, and the way they build themselves is that they're cheaper than all the other solutions like Kajabi, Klaviyo, ClickFunnels, all these other ones where you're actually paying a set amount per month. So the way that they've kind of priced their model is that they are not taking anything up front, and then they are taking this platform fee every time you make a sale. So if you have a course for, say, $297 or something, they're going to take 5% of that. So that's essentially how it works, and it's a pretty unique model as not many people are actually doing this. Over here we've got Groove Mail, again $0 per month, $0 per contact. You get to have unlimited contacts and lists, unlimited broadcasts and automations. You've got tag-driven segmentation, behavior and trigger-based workflows, and this BYO SMTP, pay your send-in provider directly. So that's bring your own, basically, bring your own. So you are going to have an email SMTP setup, which you do need to consider here. So there you go, you've got Groove Mail, you've got Groove Cart. So again, 5% on the platform fee, $0 per month, 3 brands worth of e-commerce, unlimited custom domains, unlimited products and storefronts, etc., etc. I'm selling myself all over again here. So as we come down, we can see every feature. I'll just click that button there. You can get more information if you click that on all of the different features and what's going on here. I'm just going to flick back to the pricing right there. Okay, so then we've got what you're actually paying for right now. So here's the comparison, all the different tools that you may have in your stack, and how Groove is going to sort that out for you. And there's frequently asked questions down there at the bottom. But I encourage you to click my link, grab your free account. It is free forever. You are going to pay those platform fees over time if you do make sales, but that's the cool thing. You can set up your online course business or something, your digital products business, whatever you're doing, and you will only pay Groove when you actually make a sale. So there's no upfront costs. You don't have to pay per month and all that kind of stuff. So absolutely brilliant. Check it out. Maybe it's for you, maybe it isn't for you. You won't know until you try. And also at $0 per month, you're not locked into any kind of contract. You're not entering your credit card or any kind of billing details like that. They're not going to be taking money from you unless you make a sale. Pretty awesome. I think it is. So check that out. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. You found it informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just